Elon Musk!
I'm not just MAGA. I'm dark, gothic MAGA.
Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man!
You're a monster! You're a monster!
I'm not the monster here, you are! You and the rest of that fairy tale trash poisoning my perfect world. Now tell me, where are the others?
Eat me!
I've tried to be fair to you creatures. Now my patience has reached its end. Tell me, or I'll...
No, not the buttons! Not my gumdrop buttons! Buttons! Not my gumdrop buttons!
All right then, who's hiding them?
Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane?
Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
See? You see that? That's fucking easy.
You must be Sokolov.
Are you one of Vulcan's men? You'll never get it from me.
No. I'm a CIA agent. I've come to escort you back to the other side of the Iron Curtain.
You're CIA?
Yeah. I was sent by Major Zero, the man who got you out 2 years ago.
Zero?
I have a message from him.
What is it?
He said to tell you sorry for being so late.
Did he now?
What does it mean?
It means he's a man of his word. It means he's a man of his word. Freeze!
There's even some talk of using this sort of nanotechnology to target drugs. So if we attach a specific drug to the nanoparticles here, we could put it in the entire body and it would all be dilute. But if we target an organ with a strong magnetic field, we can actually cause all of the drugs to go.
So if we attach a specific drug to the nanoparticles here, we could put it in the entire body.
Huh? We meet at last.
You're from the Ocelot unit of Spetsnaz. Huh. What's a crew soldier doing here?
Soldier.
He's the Ocelot commander.
That's Major Ocelot to you. Don't you forget it.
Sokolov is ours. Get out of here.
An ocelot never lets his prey escape.
What?
Quite clear that this event is not all about cybersecurity. It's about life. It's a testament to how deeply integrated we have become with technology and everything around us. There's no denying that our lives are changing. The transition to cyber is accelerating due to the current situation. It seems that the pandemic might be a long-lasting thing which could leave us in an unprecedented arms race against the virus. It might very well be that in the future we will be updating our immune systems with newer vaccines, just like we update our antivirus software on a regular basis.
Not the boss, are you?
Charter City is stunned by the sudden rollout of Rook Unlimited's most fantastic device ever. The Smart Mark. Throw your other devices away, because the Smart Mark is more than just a phone. It's part of you. Use it as cash. Book your travel. And even shoot video. Distribution points are all over the city. And don't let the lines discourage you. The Rook Unlimited Smart Mark is worth the wait.
I never realized how wonderful technology could make me feel. The Smart Mark has brought order to my life.
And the best part? It's absolutely free. A gift of thanks to our city from Rook Unlimited.
23% of the population has been given the Smart Mark, number 1.
Time to test our system, number 6. The Flex Fighters are out there somewhere. Teaming up with Jonathan Rook. Let's put our new recruits to work. Subtly.
Crew operatives! What is that stance? Huh. That gun. If you're not the boss, then die.
Major! Leave it! Shoot the other one!
So we got the shot on April the 8th, I think it was, a fire, and then the trouble began.
Okay, what was the trouble?
Well, he didn't have as much of a symptom as I did. In that probably the same afternoon, I started to get so dizzy and sickly feeling, but the dizziness and which we say your brain seems to get into another place, and that was so discombobulating that I fell and broke my hip, my leg up at the hip there.
Oh.
Then, of course, I went to the hospital, but by this time I had started being hallucinogenic, I guess, because I couldn't get out of this terrible space that my brain was in, that I was in a bad nightmare. Visually, I just kept seeing a bad black smoky thing and snakes and it looks like devilly creatures. They seem to me very evil. There seemed to be an evil component, because these little things that were coming in my vision were they looked like undersea creatures, but they had a devilish look, and also in the mix there was many snakes.
That's what they were making you build.
Yes, the Shagohod, the dreaded behemoth.
Is that thing finished?
No, this is only the end of Phase 1. It won't be truly finished until we complete Phase 2.
Phase 2?
The weapon's true form.
Boss?
Good work, Jack.
What are you doing here?
Sokolov comes with me.
There's a new breed of hornet sweeping the nation.
The swarm has taken all of Michigan and is now headed, well, everywhere else.
They're so powerful and fast and unlike anything I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Like, dude, this is crazy.
They've been speaking to us in code for years. Now they're finally here. These hornets are not natural. They're engineered. My guy on the inside said they cannot be domesticated.
This time, there's nothing we can do to stop them.
Please remember to remain calm and don't panic.
Are you picking this up?
Officials are asking people to stay alert.
Is this for real?
I can't work like this. I don't get paid enough for this.
Wake up, sheeple! What world are we living in? This is the swarm we've been waiting for. This is a creature from hell. Let me feel your sting!
My friends, let us fight together again.
I have waited long for this day.
We will fight with you once more. Welcome back, boss.
Now that all 5 of us are together, it's time we go to the depths of hell itself. It's raining blood. Is he crying?
Kuwabara, Kuwabara. Ah, what a joyful scene.
Colonel Vogan.
Welcome to my country. And to my unit.
Boss, what is this?
I'm defecting to the Soviet Union. Sokolov is a little gift from my new hosts.
Recoilless nuclear warheads. These will make a fine gift for me.
This can't be happening.
Who is he? Another one of your disciples? Are we taking him with us?
No, this one is still just a child. Too pure for us Cobras. He has not yet found an emotion to carry into battle.
What are you talking about? He's seen my face. We can't let him live. If Khrushchev finds out about this, we're finished. He must die.